That's interesting. We did hear from Catalina. Would you care to share with us what made your weekend so fantastic? You kind of put it in there, but just in a sentence, share with us if you don't mind.
Yes, I went to visit my son in college. My husband dropped him off in late summer, so I hadn't had the chance to see him my son in his environment. So it was super nice, and it was a wet New Jersey weather, and I'm very proud of him. We went into his room and everything was in the right place, and he was super organized. I think it's because Mommy Police was coming, but anyway, it was nice to see him in his environment.
So I want to ask everybody what Catalina just shared with us, and thank you. Thank you for sharing that. What is this? What comes to mind when I share this idea about Catalina's story versus just a one word fantastic?
When I hear Catalina describing her weekend, and she said that she was visiting her son for the first time in college. So I personally feel that I can trust her because she shared something very personal.
Very personal, lovely. How about Natalie? Share with us your comment.
Sure. I was just thinking that it was a great way to start the workshop out because it created more engagement. And then I was also thinking from a perspective of we can envision what brings her joy and what brings her happiness, and just a nice way to start out getting to know who else is on the call.
When Catalina was describing the scenario of showing up at college, what are some of the things you understood about that? What did we learn about Catalina? Put it in the chat. She has a son. She has a son in college. She had not seen him since summer. She loves her son, very proud of him, starting a new chapter. Made me think of back to my parents visiting me in college. Catalina's a proud mom. She's interesting. Look at all these different feelings, emotions, thoughts, connections that come from a simple story, a picture that Catalina so beautifully shared with us. We're understanding what the wet weather in New Jersey is. She mentioned he's in New Jersey. So what I'm illustrating here for everybody, one word, fantastic. But how fantastic was the weekend? And from a small story, not even a minute's time, we learned all of these soft skills, all of these character traits, so much about who Catalina is. Wait, there's more. I am sharing with you my frameworks and resources to improve your speaking skills. Everything I know. You can download them for free at speakingresource.com. Like this video, there's more of that too. So subscribe and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Till then, speak remarkably.